Hello Primary 2. Today inshallah we will start new lesson 77 in Unit 2. My lesson today is follow the pattern rule. Sometimes number patterns have a rule that requires us to add and subtract in the same pattern. So look at this example. If we have 0, 5, after 5, 3, after 3, 8, after 8, 6. So here we have two rule pattern. 0 to make 0, 5. What's happening in 0? What's happening in 0? Yes, 0 to make 0, 5. So we increase 0 to 5. So we have positive 5. We increase 0, 5. So 0 to make 0, 5. We increase 5. To make 5, 3. What's happening in 5? To make 5, 3. 5. To make 5, 3, we decrease 2. We decrease by 2 to make 5, 3. So we have negative 2. So here we have two rules. We have two rule pattern. We have positive 5 and negative 2. Positive 5 and negative 2. 3 to make 3, 8. So we increased 5. Yes. 8 to make 8, 6. We decrease 2. So here we have two patterns. Positive 5 and negative 2. So the rule pattern here will be positive 5 and negative 2. So this is my lesson inshallah today. Create your own pattern using the given rules. Here we have two rules, positive 2 and negative 1, and we start with 22. 22, we add the first rule. The first rule will be positive 2. 22 plus 2 equals 24. We subtract 1 because we have the second rule, negative 1. So 24 minus 1 will be 23. And again, we add 23 and 2. 23 and 2 will be 25. And subtract the second rule, 25 minus 1 will be 24. Second one, we have the pattern rule, positive 4 and negative 2. Positive 4 and negative 2. We will start with 14. Okay. The first rule is positive 4, so we add to 14, we add 4. 14 and the 4 will be 18, yes. And 18 minus 2, because the second rule will be negative 2. 18 minus 2 will be 16, yes. 16, positive 4 will be 20. 20 minus 2 will be 18. Third example, we have positive 5, negative 1. And we start with 20. The first rule is what? Super. The first rule is positive 5. The first rule is positive 5. So we add 20 to 5. 20 and 5 will be 25. And subtract, because we have the second rule, negative 1. So we subtract 1 from 25. So we have 25 minus 1 will be 24. And add again 5. 24 and 5 will be 29. 29 minus 1 will be 28. We have another example. We will use positive 10 and negative 5. Positive 10 and negative 5. And we start with 50. 50 and positive 10 equal, so we add 50 to 10 will be 60, and minus the second rule, 60 minus 5 will be 55. 55, we add 10 again, 55 and the 10 will be, yes, 65, and negative 5 again will be 60. We have another example. Circle the suitable rule. Look at 15. To make 15, 20, so we add super. We add what? Yes, we add 5. So the first rule will be positive 5. 20 to make 20, 19, subtract 1. So decrease by 1, so we have negative 1. So the two rules here, two pattern rules, will be positive 5 and negative 1. Positive 5 and negative 1. So we make circle here, positive 5 and negative 1. Number 2, 30, 32, 31, 33, and 32. Look at 30, 30. To make 30, 32, so we add 2 to make 30, 32. So the first rule will be positive 2. To make 32, 31, we subtract 1, so we have 32 minus 1 will be 31. The second rule will be negative 1. 31, to make 31, 33, we have positive 2. 33, to make 33, 32, negative 1. So the two rules here will be positive 2 and negative 1. Is positive 2 and negative 1? No. Is positive 2 and negative 1? Yes. So make circle in positive 2 and negative 1. Number 3, 55, 65, 64, 74, and 73. To make 55, 65, yes, super, we add 10. So we have positive 10. And to make 65, 64, we subtract 1. We subtract 1. 64, to make 64, 74. So we add 10. We add 10. To make 74, 73, we subtract 1. So we have two rules here, positive 10 and negative 1. Positive 10 and negative 1. So this positive 10 and negative 1, yes. This positive 10 and negative 1. So make circle at positive 10 and negative 1. So thanks for listening and have a nice day. Goodbye.